Good day, everybody. Today is March 13th, 2019. Welcome to Proudpapa Productions. This is my first official video, the second that I've made so far. This one I decided to create because of its importance to everyone with everything that's going on. Um, Working on records, keeping records. It isn't a problem if you're starting young, but it gets to be a hassle when you get to be in your 30s and 40s and realize that you have not kept up with everything. I tried to keep this as simple as possible. It really hit home as I was talking to my life insurance agent. So if anything happened to me, the problems that my bride would go through. I've been married a number of years now, and I've spoke with a number of people that have gone through problems when their spouse or a loved one has passed away or even got divorced, and the bank account would not give them access. The life insurance company, the website, the email, the school system, not knowing all these sites that you're attached to. So I'll keep it short as possible. Please feel free to comment. We're all in this together, trying to help each other out. A big thing for me was, is it still in use? Because unlike some people, I personally have tried to keep a running log of every account that we have ever used, whether that be an email address, a bank account, a website account, all of the schools. We have a number of children, and each one would end up needing either a new email address, or every year the school would change their information and we would have to sign up again. Gym memberships, association memberships, etc., etc. Even things such as your grocery store, if you've signed up for their membership card, the auto parts stores, the basically all the stores nowadays, even your restaurants have you sign up, and you have all. And at last look, I was running somewhere about 500, and I'm not trying to exaggerate, accounts between the six of us. And that doesn't include the things for work for five of us. So you get your traditional site name and your website. This tag here is, as you see, it's for the example page. Just to make sure you understand, after you get your username, password, and some places, websites require a PIN number, write down all of your security questions, add them all in here. Being that this is electronic, you can copy and paste, wrap the text so it fills it in, and write down the complete security answer. If you need more space, if they have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 security questions, add a row. Add as many rows as you need, and make sure you leave at least one space between one account, all the information, space, and then another account, because you do not want to cross-reference. Do not want to have an issue where you're running quickly trying to find something, and yes, I've done it. I look at bank number one and my eyes drift down and I type in this account number because it was too close. So you create the space. Being that this is digital, you are not wasting paper, so don't worry, you're going green. So there are some sites that have a security picture. Describe the security picture. And then the date you started it and the date it was canceled if it isn't in existence anymore, and then change it to a no. And then if that account has a card associated with it, whether it be a bank, whether it be a membership, write down the card number, write the name on the card, the expiration date, and then on the back of a credit card or bank cards, they have a 3-digit code. There may be more, there may be less. I don't know. There's so many things coming out. Write down the CVV code and then the PIN number associated with that card. Yes, you see that there's a PIN number for the card and a potential PIN number needed for a website. So with that, you want to monitor it, update it as often as possible. I've locked this file. I will have this file both in Apple Numbers and Microsoft Excel in the description area below. Please feel free to share. I would like everybody to use this or something so that they have records accessible to them. Because your future rides on it, whether we think about it or not. How many people do you know that say, oh, dog dig it, I forgot my password, I forgot this. This way, since a majority of people have smartphones, you can have this at your fingertips. And then here's a blank page so you can start doing your stuff. And with the numbers, you can just keep adding rows, basically till infinity. You can do one for yourself, one for work, one for your spouse, one for your kid, each kid, one for each parent. If your parents are starting to get up in age and you're starting to have to care for them, you need to know this because this is going to matter. We've seen the increase with Alzheimer's, and that matters. We've seen an increase with other challenges, Asperger's, Down syndrome, utilizing Social Security, Medicaid, Medicare, all that information, all those questions, having it all in one place will save you a lot of time. And upon the day that you pass, it'll save those that you love a lot of time so that they're not stressed. So that's it in a nutshell. Please feel free to comment. Give me some suggestions. Like I said, we're all in this together. I do not know everything, but I'd like to give you my 2.5 cents. I hope you all have a great day.